हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू 3नेट क्लासेस। एनटीए यूजीसी नेट ज्योग्राफी जून 2020 का क्वेश्चन पेपर एनालिसिस हो रही थी। पार्ट 4 आज डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोसेस इज रिलेटेड टू एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्ट्स एंड वाटर बाय प्लांट रूट्स? राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑस्मोसिस, ऑप्शन 2। Question number 62. International boundary between India and Pakistan was demarcated after the partition. Which type of boundary is this? So, the answer will be cultural, option 1. Question number 63. Assertion, along with water vapor, carbon dioxide is largely responsible for the greenhouse effect of the atmosphere. And reason, carbon dioxide is not an important heat absorber. So, the right answer will be option 3. A is true but R is false. Question number 64. Which one of the following recycle period is correct for oxygen? The right answer will be option 2, 2000 years. Statement 1. Question number 65. Statement 1. In any system of constant mass, energy is neither created nor destroyed. And statement 2. The energy flow in the ecosystem is not unidirectional. Okay, right answer will be statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect, option 3. Then 66. The Arab scholar who made corrections to Ptolemy's book was Al-Idrisi. Okay, Al-Idrisi. An introduction to the application of geography to history and the geographical distribution of mankind are the work of Friedrich Ratzel. Question number 68. थर्मल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन थ्योरी, ये तो मैचिंग है इसलिए राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. हिस्टोग्राम इज एसोसिएटेड with which one of the following data distribution? Continuous frequency distribution, option 2 is the right answer. Then book name and authors, question number 70. Option 2 is the right answer. Fundamentals of Ecology, E.P. Odum. India's Water Wealth, K.L. Rao. Geology of India, D.N. Wadia. Dams and Earthquake, H.K. Gupta. Okay, option 2 is the right answer. Next question number 71. इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन 1. मोरेन्स है ग्लेशियर एजेंट्स. सील्ट रिवर, लोएस्ट विंड and dripstone underground water. So the right answer will be option 1. Next, question number 72. The characteristics of the countries engaged in subsistence farming include developing economy, high density of population, low level of technology, high developed international trade. Okay, option 4 is the right answer. Option A, B and C are the right answer. That is option 4. Okay. Developing economy, high density of population and low level of technology. Very easy question. Then question number 73. Author and name of book, ये भी मैचिंग का क्वेश्चन है. 73 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन 4. ए वेबर हो जाएगा थ्योरी ऑफ लोकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, थ्योरी ऑफ द लोकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. E.M. Hoover, the location of economic activity. A. Praed, behavior and location foundations for a geographic and dynamic location theory. D.M. Smith, DM स्मिथ का इंडस्ट्रियल लोकेशन एंड इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफिकल एनालिसिस। Question number 74. Which of the following statement is or are not true for Green Revolution in India? Green Revolution ensured that there was no regional disparity. Question कहा है not true for Green Revolution. Okay, not true. Option B. Green Revolution ensured increased productivity among selected crops. Okay. Option 3. Green Revolution ensured uniform earnings among all farmers. And D. Green Revolution ensured mechanization in farms. The right answer will be option 2, that is only A. Green Revolution ensured that there was no regional disparity. This is only not true for Green Revolution. 85. राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन 4, मिस्ट 0.005 to 0.05 मिलीमीटर. ओके. स्नो 1 मिलीमीटर to 20 मिलीमीटर. ग्रोपल 2 to 5 millimeter and sleet 0.5 to 5 millimeter. Okay, so the right answer will be option 4. Question number 76. Assertion: the moon's high tide time lag in each day is 50 minutes, and reason: the total duration required to complete the 2 cycles of high and low tides at any places in 24 hours 50 minutes. According to the answer key, the right answer will be option 1. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 77. The consumption, statement 1, the consumption of oxygen has increased after the Industrial Revolution in 1860. And statement 2, the Brazil and India uses more oxygen annually than other countries of the world. Okay, the right answer, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. The right answer will be option 3. Next, 78. Statement 1. The Darwinian theory of origin of species almost conform to the law of uniformitarianism. And statement 2, there are heritable variations in the individual species. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. So the right answer here, option 1. Next, question number 79. Two-dimensional diagrams are also known as area. Okay, area. And the last question, Rimland theory was presented by M.J. Spikeman in 1942. According to the answer key, right answer will be option 2, 1942. Okay, so thank you very much. Next video भी आ जाएगा जल्दी ही. Thank you.